And we've been talking about adding audio to your WordPress site. Now, there's several plugins, a lot of plugins that you can use to help do this. And the one I'm going to talk about right now today is Audio Player. And it's what was they had also the Audio Player widget, which is right here. So you can add easily a player to your sidebar. And then the Audio Player will let you add a player right there. And I'll show you how to go about doing these. Okay, here we are back here in plugins, and I already added these. What you can do is go to add new and then search audio player widget and also audio player, and install and activate both of those plugins. First I'm going to show you the audio player widget. We're going to go ahead and go to under appearance, go to widgets. This makes it very, very easy to add audio to your sidebar. You just take this and drag it, and you drag it on over. I've already dragged one on over here, and it says audio countdown. This is just an example. It's not really anything that you just somebody counting down from 10. So it's just a really short one that I use for an example. It's not going to stay on the side. But all you do is you put a label. This is what you want it to have to show up, what it's called, and down below it you need to have the URL of the website of where it's at. And you just go ahead, and once you get the information in there, you hit save. You can see how it's showing up over here on the sidebar. You can click on it, and then it'll play. It's just a short, simple audio player. There's some other audio players that are out there that you may prefer, and that is fine. I'm just showing a quick way, easy way to get one here on in your sidebar. The easiest way to go ahead and add the player into a post is to use short code. You have the bracket, audio, and the colon. And then you just type in the URL of where your audio is at. And then just close the bracket. Here it is. It'll look something like this. Back in the dashboard, if you go on over to Audio Player, you can see that it has several settings that you can use. Okay, and here this is how it works. If you just use the default settings like you have right here, then it's going to work. If you have all your audio in one folder, name your folder, make sure you know where it is, and put the audio in that folder. And if you do that, then you don't have to put the whole URL, just put the name .mp3 or whatever, just that the file itself instead of the rest of it. Here you have your display settings. Here you can change how it looks. Like the background here, let's say you want to pick a different color. And you can see it'll change the background. You got the left side background. And then you can change maybe the right background. But you just change these colors however you want to make it look the way that you want. And once you've done this, you go ahead and hit Save Changes. And here you can see the audio player has colors now. You can use its colors or not colors, just whatever you want to do with it. If you do use colors, pick ones that match your blog. Anyway, have fun with this. Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers.